In this video we're going to show you how to remove the monitor from BMW 2015, and this is the M235, which is similar to some other years and model. And the removal is very simple. The only thing you need to do, just remove the bezel for the AC vent, and the tools that you need is just Torx screwdriver size T20 plus this dashboard removal tool. And then you should also need the rag. Once you remove the AC vent, you can leave the rag out so you won't damage the your AC vent. I mean the AC control. But the first step, you just insert your dashboard removal tool around the bezel for the AC vent. Sometimes the clips are very hard, you have to push them in order to get them out, and then you use your fingers and then pull the whole AC vent forward. And once you get it out, then just put a rag or some towel underneath so you won't scratch. And there are two mounting screws, size T20, one on the passenger side, one on the driver's side. Once you get these two screws out, you can just lift the monitor, and that's it. And if you need any repair for the monitor or the radio, you can send it to High-Tech Electronic Services in Van Nuys, California, 818-785-8085.